know this is a learning channel, guys. Alright, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos, guys. Alright, so today we'll be learning how to save a document in Adobe Photoshop, guys. Alright, so before you save a document, you need to have an actual document. Alright, well, my workspace is blank here. Alright, guys, let's put a document here. So you go to File, New, OK. Alright, guys, so I know I have a document right here, guys. So what you'll do in Photoshop when you do your design, you'll go to, and you finish, you go to File, Save As. Alright, so here you put your file name. So let me put blank right there. Alright, so PSD means the file that can edit. That's a Photoshop document file. Alright, that can edit. Okay, so you always save your file as PSD. Always, guys, don't get this twisted. Alright, if you save your file as another and close off Photoshop, you won't be able to edit back over your file. Alright, so always save it as a PSD file. Next, you will so for instance, you want to send your client a image that they can print off. Alright, so you go save it as a JPEG, save it as a JPEG and send to them, guys. Alright, or if they want a file without any background, you save as a PNG, guys. Alright, and then you just click OK, bam, and that's it. Alright, guys, so that's how you save a document in Adobe Photoshop. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel. This is a learning channel. This will get you up to speed on graphic design, and this will teach you every aspect of Photoshop, guys. So see you tomorrow.